Alright, so I've just gotten my first package of crystal spheres from Temu. I ordered about 10 days ago. I've been checking the shipping page several times a day. Couldn't resist ordering a few more as I waited. So hopefully I'll have more to show soon. But let's see what's in this one. This looks like the Labradorite. I can see it glistening already. See a nice section of flesh. Ooh, an even better one on the other side. Alright, let's see what we have next. At first I thought this was moss agate, but it's actually what I bought as ocean jasper. It has a bunch of little white pits all across the surface that I didn't mind at first, but grew to dislike the more spheres I opened that were much better polished. Alright, number 3. Got a little one here. I believe this is one of the very cheap ones. That one's exactly what I hoped it would be. See those little scrapes there, but the rest of it is polished very nicely. Another small one. It's looking like another green one. Similar to the third that I opened, but this one's different enough to be interesting. The first one had lots of small patches of white and green, and this one seems to have larger clouds and streaks. I love the look of many similar colors together, but all just slightly different. Alright, let's see what's next. I do think both orders are in here. There's still quite a few. This one is marked Fantasy Amethyst. That is very nice. Got some nice deep purple along here. I like the nice jagged shapes. I'm a little disappointed. It's kind of, there's a lot of white cloudiness to it. I was hoping for a bit more clarity, at least in a few patches. I'm having trouble finding a definite side to display. Next up, this feels like a smaller one. I think those green ones I may have ordered as a pair. Maybe this one is the white one. Or maybe I just don't remember. That looks pretty green. This one's in a little bag too. It must have been a pair. This one's certainly different than the other two though. A lot more green. All the white parts are striped. Well, that's 6 down. Hopefully there's 5 more in there to go. This is one of the cheap ones, I believe. I think this is my first red one. That is very smooth, very nicely polished. one, could this be Septarian? I think I've ordered 2 of these. I don't know if they're both in this order. Yep. A little Septarian sphere. I used to not like these at all. I thought they were actually quite ugly, but quite a few years later, now I do. That is very nice. A few rough patches. That's certainly a display sign. No, I'm very happy with that. Alright. How many do we have left? Oh, that's a big one. Oh, wait, save that one until last. That one's not quite as heavy, so it's probably smaller. And then this little tiny one, I think I know what this one is. It's a lapis. I didn't think I had ordered one so small. I do want some variance in size. Alright, we've got 2 left. This one's a bit lighter, this one's much heavier. I'll leave the heavy one for last. Oh, this looks like an ocean jasper. Wow. Well, this certainly is another tier of sphere. Got wonderful greens, some sparkly crystals here, just a little tiny bit of a geode, a bit of space and gap in there, very sparkly. And then we have this wonderful lavender purple here. It's almost blue there, but certainly beautiful. There's a real depth to this. The other spheres didn't match this depth. There's a few crystals there as well. Alright, last one. It's very exciting. Oh no, this has to be the moss agate. Beautiful. No, this is definitely moss agate. Got some nice tunnels there. Nice swirl of yellow and green. Got a bit of purple. Bunch of sparkly crystals there.